shape is tragic as the team reaches the top of the loop and the Eagles will reach formation. Today, the team is performing a six-shift high show with the most anemic displays. During the display, you'll get to see several different formation shapes. Some of you may have seen the boys playing the largest piece in